Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix alt+tab freezing in Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, Display. Click Graphics, click Change Default Graphics Settings. Turn off under Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Restart system. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H-key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows, click and expand current version, click Explorer. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as alt+tab settings. Change value data to 1, click OK and exit Registry Editor, restart system. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.